Hi guys, today I have something big to show you. It is really big, 60 centimeters long. It is an instrument cluster from a Russian battle tank or at least a military vehicle. So as you can see, the whole thing is very big. So we will go around. Two plugs here and with no markings, starter button, some free position pull button here, fuses, some switch with the switch have a fluorescent tip. This one is for some generator. This one I don't know. Here we have a Fari something, so it must be for the headlights with an indicator light here. This must be the fuel tank indicator, empty, half and full. Here more buttons on the fuses. We have here ventilator, so it is fan. Push button here. Red light here, another plug. Here we have a free position commutator with no label. Another button here. On the upper dials we have a pressure indicator, two similar pressure indicators, so these ones are aircraft grade. Here is the backlight lamp bulb for the clear plastic diffuser here for the labels. And one more light here. This is the cooling water temperature indicator, probably VODA. Here, obviously, I am missing something. Probably the main speedometer or main tachometer. I did never have this part, sadly. One other pressure indicator here. This one is ampermeter, with some kind of reset switch. It is a dual function, maybe, yes. It must be a dual indicator. By default it is ampermeter, and if you press it may become a voltmeter, up to 30 volts. And one more pressure indicator here. So the other side. So as you can see, it is quite crowded. So you can see the main plate is aluminium, but there is a structural steel plate behind it. So here we have the plugs, the buttons. This one is the pull button. Circuit breaker here, the switch. The little fuel tank indicator here. So this one is car grade. In a Lada you will have quite the same thing. Here the three of the dials with, you can see the aircraft grade mountings and the aircraft grade connectors too. So the hole for the missing instrument, of course. So there is no obvious attachment points, so I believe it is a bracket. It was attached by a bracket like this one. Excuse me for the poor lighting, but it is not easy with the size of this thing. So here we have three position switch connector here. the other indicators here. This one is the voltmeter and ampere meter. We have some kind of paper here. I think it must be the end of the Carta world, the paper, obviously, card. So this must be some kind of, I don't know, contact, no. There is only 2 wires in it. There is another one, but which is not connected now. So it must be some kind of relay or something like this. Quite weird. And in here we have wire wound power resistors, it seems, as you can see. And more circuit breakers here. They are aircraft grade circuit breakers. You can see all the wiring work. It is wiring with tissue, cloth wrap, exactly. Maybe some asbestos in it. It is possible. And well, it's all, in fact. You can see the little screws here. This kind of screw is typically a Russian screw. So it is all. There is no model number, no serial number. So I don't know very much more about this. Maybe I can find dead codes. Yes. I have 85 here, 87 here, and 86 on this one. So it is from 87, 88, something like this. And I believe it may in fact be new old stock, because you have here the mounting all the screws for the holes for the mounting screws, exactly, and you can see there is not any marking around it. So maybe it was never installed and it did never receive the missing instrument. It is quite interesting. So it is also, you will notice that most of the wiring goes to the connectors. So it is designed to be connected by the front, except for some auxiliary wires like this one, which is not mounted. Yes, this thing is new. But you can imagine when it is installed, you have big fat wire looms with big connectors here. Okay, so it was quite interesting. Now I will re-wrap the thing in the bubble wrap and put it back in the storage. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.